In this video, I'm going to explain how to take image files shared to you by Dr. Watanabe. These images are from 7 CC cameras with a 360-degree field of view. Monthly data sets from these cameras vary in size. The general range of images from one of the 7 cameras per month is between 10 and 50,000. To process all these images, we have created a convolutional neural net that uses binary classification to determine if a sprite event has been captured by one of these motion-censored cameras. Dr. Watanabe will either share a folder of images with you to your Google Drive, or he will ask for a link to a directory in your Google Drive. Once you have a copy of these image data sets in your Google Drive, you can move on to the next step. A copy of the Quick Run SIRS software will be shared with you, and a copy of the H5 model, which is the convolutional neural net model, will also be shared with you. After saving a copy of Quick Run and the H5 model to your Google Drive, we want to open up the Quick Run software, and we want to mount our Google Drive and run the import statements. After you have mounted your drive and ran the import statements, now we can load the dataset. To load the dataset, you're going to want to copy the file path from your Google Drive. To do this, go to the folder icon, go down in your drive to the location of the folder you want to scan, and copy the subdirectory of this and paste it into the data dir. Then run the statement. Once this is finished running, you will know the total number of files you are going to test. After this, you're going to want to load the model. You'll do this by also copying the file path from the H5 model that you saved in your Google Drive, and then running the statement. After we have loaded the model, we're going to want to move down to step number 6. Here, we're going to want to update the data dir to the path of the images that we are going to want to scan. And we're also going to want to update the path of the copy function. So to do this, we're going to have to create a new folder in our Google Drive. And these are going to be where the results of the algorithm are going to be saved. After we have finished creating a new folder in our Google Drive, we're going to update the file path here. Once we have updated both of these paths, we can run the statement. Once it begins running, it's going to save each image as either a no event or a sprite, and the numerics allow you to see where you are in the program. After this, we're going to go into our Google Drive and look at the results. So go to the folder that you updated the copy function for. After this, you can download the dataset and visually scan it to see if there are any sprites.